If I had exactly $0 in my bank account and I was trying to learn how to make Fortnite maps, this is exactly what I would do. Because if you guys are looking at my screen, this map right here called Mic Up Party Royale has averaged 4,850 players and has made a grand total of over $776,000. This guy started from exactly nothing, and there's thousands and thousands of people who are in the exact same position that you were. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make your own Fortnite map starting with $0 to make yourselves thousands of dollars a month, like these games here that you can see, that you guys can literally just copy at the palm of your fingertips. Because I'm going to be jumping right into Fortnite and show you guys tips and strategies while I'm building the games to show you guys how to replicate them. I'm going to go into Fortnite to show you exactly how to build them yourselves. But of course, guys, join the Discord in the link in the description to get your very first pre-made successful map to make thousands of dollars a month. Let's get right into the video. So if you guys look here, Disney acquired Epic Games for $2.1 billion, mind you, last year. And this was to create the metaverse expansion inside of Fortnite and bring literally anything possible to life in Fortnite mapmaking and UEFN. So the pretty much reason on why this actually happened is because Epic Games saw a vision in Disney and Disney saw a vision in Epic Games. Two companies can't coexist, both competing at each other. Epic Games is clear tell on what they're trying to do. They're trying to copy Roblox and all of these digital platform games to build a metaverse expansion inside of Fortnite. Now, what does that propose? What does that mean? A lot of people don't entirely know. Only time will tell, okay? So with that out of the way, how does one actually make a Fortnite map? Well, what I want you guys to do is head on over to Google and search up Fortnite Epic Games Launcher. This is going to allow you to actually download Fortnite in the Epic Games Launcher and allow you to actually access UEFN to start building your own games and making money online. So as soon as you guys have actually downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, you guys can go ahead and search up Fortnite, okay? I know a lot of you guys probably already have it on your consoles, machines, Xbox, Nintendo, whatever. You most definitely need to install it, okay? So once you have downloaded Fortnite, the next thing you need to install is the Unreal Editor, okay? So pretty much the Unreal Editor for Fortnite allows you to actually build these metaverse games inside of Fortnite, which is why people are making thousands and millions of dollars a year making games. So now that you've downloaded both necessities and required features to actually get started making games, you guys definitely need to grab the free code that we're going to be using throughout this tutorial that will show you guys how to actually build games and capitalize and make thousands of dollars a month. So all we have to do is go ahead and go to my Discord server and we're going to download the game manager. This is going to allow you to fully customize your worlds and experiences when you're actually making games. And now we can go ahead and safely launch UEFN. You don't have to worry because the Discord is completely free in the link in the description of this video. So as soon as we're loaded into UEFN, what I want you guys to do is go to Island Templates and load a flat XL grid island. You guys can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to leave the default naming and go ahead and press create. Now, once you're loaded inside of your XL grid island, with the code copy and paste it from my Discord server, all we have to do is just copy and paste and put it inside of Verse, which is very, very easy to do. Okay, all we have to do is go to Verse right here and copy and paste the code. It is not a full requirement, but it is essential to learning the fundamentals and elements of UEFN to help you get started. Because if you guys are looking to move around in UEFN, WASD, and you guys can toggle your camera speed, which will allow you to move a lot more faster. Because I know a lot of you guys are having tough times inside of UEFN and actually building games. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you a bare basic tutorial on how to actually get started and navigate what you're actually looking at and seeing. First off, this is the outliner. This is all of the features and elements that are inside of your world. For example, if I go to the content drawer here, the content drawer pretty much allows you to access all of the files inside of Fortnite and drag out whatever you want, just like these devices right here. Okay, so if we go here, here is the island settings. We can go ahead and drag this out. This is like the customizations where when you kill someone, you get siphon. You can add all the health modulators. It is fully functional for everyone. All right, hope that explains a lot. And pretty much what we're doing is dragging it up and down with these arrow keys. So if you guys look here, let's just say we didn't have the island settings device here. All we have to do is search up island, and it's exactly right here. Okay, so this is pretty much like your search tool to find the stuff that you've put down in the map, because a lot of the times you will need to hide stuff under the map. And here we have the camera of where it's actually angled. If you look at the bottom right here, as soon as I actually move it up and down, it is showing the perspective of the device to show you it is not lost, it is more than found, and you can find it wherever you are. Okay, so right now I'm about to load into my own custom island that I built myself, handcrafted, so you guys can replicate and emulate the same success. And obviously, these games are listed for literally $15 on my Patreon, where it's literally 25 games for only $15. But I want to show you guys how you guys can go inside of UEFN and Fortnite and replicate the exact game. Because if you guys look here, we have custom backgrounds, we have reload weapons, crosshairs, custom music, game speed, FOV changer, first person. How is this actually made? How can you guys do the same? All right, because even if we go on Fortnite GG, we know that people are making millions and millions of dollars. But what are they actually building? Well, we know that it's the 1v1 games. That is the most popular genre in the entirety of Fortnite, because it's super competitive and action-packed and fast-paced. Well, that sounds all good to me, Davey, but how do I actually get innovative ideas? Like, we see all these genres of games here. They seem pretty basic to me. It looks like these are not really hard to do. That's what you guys might think. But how are people getting ahead of the curve and not only making more money online, but indeed innovating the space and genre of map making, what it stands to be, and crushing their competitors in their path? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you, because if you guys go into ChatGPT, this is the baby mama of how to get brilliant Fortnite map ideas inside of your games to capitalize and make money online making Fortnite maps. So pretty much all you guys have to do to get genius and unexplainable amazing ideas is search up key 3 elements that you enjoyed and were satisfied to do as a kid. So for me, this is what I'll ask. Create me similar Fortnite maps around Skylanders, basketball, and soccer. These are the 3 things that I used to play. And you also want to highlight the key feelings when you're actually making the games, because these are the exact perceptions and feelings that kids will have when they're playing your games, because they're young. You guys got to remember that we're creating games for younger people, and we're literally creating and forming their childhood and future identity when they become an adult. So all you guys have to do is search up create me similar games to whatever genres or ideas that you guys like, and base it off of Fortnite maps that are popular today. And as soon as you press enter, this is exactly where the magic happens, because if you guys are looking at my screen, here are 3 Fortnite map ideas based on Skylanders, basketball, and soccer, while incorporating elements that are popular and trendy in Fortnite today. So here we have the first one, Skylanders inspired adventure map. PvE, PvP Skylanders adventure with elemental islands, fire, earth, water, air, mixed with tilted towers and puzzles and elements and AI bosses, and the last survivor wins the game. And Sky Stadium, where it's a fast-paced futuristic basketball game where players can power up an ability and dunk on their opponents. And the trending inspiration is from Octane Racing, like Rocket League, because obviously Rocket League got acquired by Epic Games and they sold their business and company. So it's very fascinating what you guys can actually do with map making, because if you guys are looking here, we can jump through all of the collections and genres. Like, nobody's even playing these Fall Guys games. They're doing terrible. Yet this game right here that only averages 100 players a day is making $7,000 a month for only averaging 100 players a day, guys. 100 players. That is monumentally insane. And that's why I'm making millions of dollars for my clients inside of the space making games, which is why you guys definitely need to purchase the Patreon in the link in the description to get started making games. It's literally $15 for 25 custom games that you guys can repost and make thousands and thousands of dollars a month. Because if you guys are looking here, there's 1.9 million people playing Fortnite. Almost 2 million. And in the last 24 hours, there was 3 million, and they peaked around 14 million 2 months ago with the Juice WRLD live event, which was phenomenal and amazing. And if we come over here, there's only 41,000 people making games. And that's all because of me. I've generated at least 30,000 people inside of the industry. I'm number 1 in the entirety of the space on YouTube, and there's 12 people that's made $10 million. I know majority of the people that have made that money. I've helped them. And it's kind of insane the impact that I can have on millions of people. You know, 11 people have made $3 million. That could be you. I want you to use this video as motivation and join the Discord, get the Patreon, get yourself started. Okay? Because there is cost to this. It's either your time or it's money helping you make games. That is a sacrifice. It's months and months on end getting nowhere. Or you can shortcut the process and join my community and have thousands and thousands of people help you make games, because that's all I'm trying to do. That's why this video was kind of clean cut, barely any editing on this video, because I'm trying to speak to you, right? I want this to be the biggest business. I am going to make it the biggest business. I have a software company that's going to be $1 billion business. We're selling that to Epic Games, and that allows you to build full custom games with AI. It's insane what we can all do together when we stand together and unite and become the best of the best with our capabilities, our thoughts, beliefs, actions, habits, everything. We can do it. All right, I believe in you. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know your thoughts down below. Join the Discord, get the Patreon, click the top video that's on your screen right now. It's an amazing content piece of work that will help you get started. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace.